Today we're talking about Samsung's upcoming affordable flagship, the Galaxy S25 Fan Edition. And thanks to a fresh leak, we've got the full specs ahead of launch. Let's break it all down. So according to reliable tipster AMOLED, the Galaxy S25 Fan Edition will pack a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display with a super smooth 120Hz refresh rate and peak brightness up to 1900 nits. Basically, no worries about using it outdoors. Both the front and back will be covered in Gorilla Glass Victus, plus for durability. Under the hood, it's running on the Exynos 2400 processor, and Samsung is reportedly upgrading the cooling system by 13%. So gaming and heavy multitasking should feel smoother with less heat. Now let's talk cameras. On the back, you'll get a 50-megapixel main sensor, an 8-megapixel telephoto with 3x zoom, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, while the front houses a 12-megapixel selfie camera. Pretty solid for an Fan Edition model. Battery-wise, it's coming with a 4,900 mAh pack and 45-watt fast charging, which means quick top-ups and all-day use. Out of the box, it'll run One UI 8 based on Android 16, complete with Samsung's latest AI-powered features. Plus, you'll get Wi-Fi 6E, IP68 water and dust resistance, and 3 storage options minus 128 gigs, 256 gigs, and even 512 gigs, all paired with 8 gigs of RAM. And for colors, we're looking at navy, dark blue, light blue, black, and white. Definitely a nice variety. Now keep in mind, Samsung hasn't officially confirmed any of this yet, so take it with a pinch of salt. But if these leaks are true, the Galaxy S25 Fan Edition could be the perfect mix of flagship features at a more affordable price point. What do you think? Would you pick the S25 Fan Edition over the standard Galaxy S25? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the latest updates. We've got fresh news about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Fan Edition, and if you were hoping for a cheaper price than last year's model, well, I've got some bad news. So here's the story. A while back, a leak out of Germany suggested the S25 Fan Edition would launch in early September with a starting price of €679. Sounds good, right? But now, a more reliable leak from France says nope, it's not getting any cheaper. According to leaker Bilbilcon, the base model of the Galaxy S25 Fan Edition with 8 gigs RAM and 128 gig storage will start at €749. That's the exact same price as the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition last year. If you want 8 gigs plus 256 gigs, you'll pay €809, again identical to last year's pricing. But here's the surprise, apparently there's going to be a third model this year. For the first time ever, Samsung might offer a 512 gig storage option for the Fan Edition, priced at €929. Now the big question is whether this model will be available everywhere, or just in select markets. And honestly, when you look at the numbers, the S25 Fan Edition doesn't seem like a huge bargain. For under €800, you could grab the Galaxy S25 Plus with 256 gig storage. And that phone gives you a better display, improved cameras, and the more powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. So Samsung's really gonna have to lean on design and branding to make the Fan Edition stand out. Speaking of design, we've now got official-looking renders of the Galaxy S25 Fan Edition, thanks to Android headlines. And visually, it's almost identical to the Galaxy S25 Plus, with just a slightly different chin on the display and minor tweaks to the camera rings. So what do you think? Is the Galaxy S25 Fan Edition still worth it at these prices, or would you just go for the S25 Plus instead? Let me know in the comments.